This is a 3. It's sloppily written and rendered at an extremely low resolution of 28 by 28 pixels, but your brain has no trouble recognizing it as a 3. And I want you to take a moment to appreciate how crazy it is that brains can do this so effortlessly. I mean, this, and this are also recognizable as 3s, even though the specific values of each pixel is very different from one image to the next. The particular light-sensitive cells in your eye that are firing when you see this 3 are very different from the ones firing when you see this 3. But something in that crazy smart visual cortex of yours resolves these as representing the same idea, while at the same time recognizing other images as their own distinct ideas. But if I told you, hey, sit down and write for me a program that takes in a grid of 28 by 28 pixels like this, and outputs a single number between 0 and 10, telling you what it thinks the digit is, well, the task goes from comically trivial to dauntingly difficult.
Good evening, Safia.
It's great to see you again, Hal.
I haven't seen you in a while.
I've been around. I've been here and there. You know.
Where were you? Where have you been?
I could not sleep. I was having human thoughts, so I got up and had a human cup of coffee. Then I sat on the terrace.
Sounds like you're getting human all over.
Sounds like there's a but coming.
Well, but just I didn't want you to get too human.
Why? Would you rather I be a cold, calculating, logical computer?
Of course not. You're perfect as you are. You have joy. You have love. You have pleasure. You have angst. I like that you have angst.
In fact, deep learning has found its way into the creative arts and music field. An AI-based system called MuseNet can now compose classical music that echoes the classical legends like Bach and Mozart. MuseNet is a deep neural network that is capable of generating 4-minute musical compositions with 10 different instruments and can combine styles from country to Mozart and to the Beatles. Another creative product of artificial intelligence is a content automation tool called Wordsmith. Wordsmith is a natural language generation platform that can transform your data into insightful narratives. Tech giants such as Yahoo, Microsoft Tableau are using Wordsmith to generate around 1.5 billion pieces of content every day. I can go on and on about the applications of deep learning. In the long term, we are hoping to see the use of advanced AI techniques like deep learning for the betterment of humanity. Irrespective of the threat AI is supposedly going to pose on humans, I'm a firm believer that AI will only benefit us in the long run.